Ya, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fazli bin SHAHLAN.
My name is AMIRUL HAZIQ bin Ahmad AFFANDI.
Okay, my name is Lukman Hakim bin MASHURI.
Today, I would like to present about purchasing process. Introduction of purchasing. Purchasing is a method of purchasing product or service in order to achieve an organization objective. Purchasing is an essential task that must be completed by all organizations. A successful buying agent can ensure that the food served is of high quality. Important of purchasing process. First, preserve the quality and value of a company's product. Two, reduce cash keep in inventory. Three, to maintain the flow of inputs. Four, improve the organization competitive position. Purchase technical. Two basic method of purchasing is periodic order method and perpetual order method. Razi?
Okay, difference between perishable and non-perishable food. Okay, I give you example. Perishable foods. Perishable foods are those items typically fresh foods. Example for non-perishable food. Non-perishable item have longer shelf life. Okay, next Ali. Next slide. Document used in purchasing. They have They have 9 documents used in purchasing. Number 1, request for price quotation. Number 2, steward market quotation list. Number 3, market quotation sheet. Number 4, purchase order. Next slide. Number 5, bin card. Number 6, perpetual inventory card. Number 7, standard purchase specification. Number 8, contract of purchasing. Number 9, schedule agreement of purchasing. Next slide. Comparison, periodic order method and perpetual inventory method. Periodic order method. A periodic inventory system of the periodic inventory method is an accounting method in which you determine the amount of inventory at the end of each accounting period or in specified period. Furthermore, a periodic inventory system requires a physical count for each period. Perpetual inventory method. The perpetual inventory method of accounting inventory, as the name suggests, is about tracking inventory perpetual as it moves throughout the supply chain. In this approach, warehouse manager keep a continuous track of inventory balance, which means the stock is updated automatically every time an item is received or sold through every point of sale. Next slide.
Okay, next. The advantage and disadvantage centralized purchasing. Okay, advantage of centralized purchasing. Firstly, foods and beverage can be purchased at lower prices because of volume. Desired quality can be obtained more readily because the steward has a greater choice of market. Disadvantage of centralized purchasing. Firstly, each unit must accept the standard item in stock and has little freedom to purchase for its own particular needs. Units can't take advantage of local specials. Okay, next slide. Advantage and disadvantage of standing orders. Advantage of standing orders. Firstly, the term standing order refer to an arrangement made with a vendor to deliver specific goods on a regular scheduled basis. However, since we are not sending a specific purchase order for delivery, we may get products we didn't need. Okay, disadvantage of standing orders. Firstly, storeroom access and security must be more consistently monitored. Secondly, it may be more expensive than other purchasing methods. Okay, conclusion. This chapter provides an overview of purchasing and the purchasing process, including the objective of a world-class purchasing function, purchasing span of control, the purchasing cycle, and the documents used to manage the purchasing process. These topics provide the foundation from which to introduce the tools, techniques, and strategies used by purchasing organization in a competitive market. Okay, that's all from our group, and thanks.